Hello everyone, happy Monday. Welcome to this week's vlog. I've had a very productive morning. I went to F45 this morning. I was on dog watch, so I went to go see my sister's puppy. And now I'm about to head out. I'm gonna go take my mom to see the cherry blossoms at UW. I also need to pick up my pottery from Paint the Town. I'm really excited to see how it turned out. But this is my outfit of the day. I'm just carrying my red shoulder bag from Hayata. And then I have on this suede button shirt jacket from Better Call Sister. I'm wearing this gray tank and tee set from Dunst. And then I just have on my Madewell studded belts. And I paired the look with my dark wash jeans from the Barnett. And then I just have on my silver sneakers. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna go and I'll see you all in a bit.
At this time.
I just came home a little bit ago. I picked up the ceramics that I painted and I wanted to show them to you because I'm really proud of how they came out. The first one is this little mini Snoopy plate with Woodstock. I can't wait to use it. And then the other day, like for my birthday, I made this same bowl. So I painted this one to kind of match it on the outside. But this one, I did a little Sprite from Spirited Away. And I think it's so cute with its little stars. So the plan for the rest of the evening is just relax. I have a few things that I need to do, but I really just want to be cozy since it's raining and just have a really peaceful, relaxing Monday evening. I have really been loving my skincare routine lately, so I thought we could do a little get unready with me. For starters, I've been using the Soft Mayo Speedy Cleansing Oil. This is one of my favorites. I feel like I always kind of come back to this one, but I feel like it's such a foolproof cleansing oil, and it really gets off all your makeup without feeling like you're just rubbing around all the stuff on your face. My go-to cleanser has been the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. You can tell I love it because I bought the value size. Latest thing that I did invest in, these disposable face towels. These are from the brand Clean Skin Club, and they're just called their Clean Towels Extra Large. They come in a pack of 50. You can just get them on Amazon, but I feel like it's really nice and it feels a lot more refreshing than reusing like the same face towels. And it's also really nice that it's disposable because you can just really easily wipe down the counter afterwards as well. They also make toner pads, so whenever I use toner, I go in with these as well. Because it's nighttime and I've been out and about, I always go in with the Skin Smart Antimicrobial Facial Cleanser Spray. Genevieve put me on this and I feel like it's honestly helped like change my skin so much in terms of making sure there's no bacteria, and it's really cleared up my skin. So I do this every evening, and then anytime I do my face wash and routine in the morning after I've done a workout. These are the first toner pads that I ever used, and I've recently gone back to them. They're the Abib Sedum Hyaluron pads. I think these are really ideal in the summer, but at the time that I opened these, I really just wanted something super refreshing. You can use them as like a little face mask as well and just put a few on, but I've been using these morning and night as well just to get a really like refreshed feeling and tone out my face. I like them because they also have an exfoliating side too, which works really well if you are in that time of the week when you want to do some exfoliating. I've been using the Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum with ginseng and retinol. I've been using this for a while now. This is my second tube, but I feel like now that I'm getting older, I've really been prioritizing retinol and peptides, and I love how this feels, and I do feel like it's pretty effective, but it also also wears really well under makeup when I put this on in the morning. For my serum, I've been using the SkinCeuticals P-Tiox Wrinkle Modulating Peptide Serum. This was sent to me, so I kind of used it on a whim, and this is amazing. This is something that I definitely want to repurchase. It is a little bit on the spendier side, but I feel like it's so worth it, and my skin has been so glowy, and it's really helped with just all the texture and like wrinkles, and I feel just like really like my face has been really bright lately. So I'm gonna repurchase this just to see if it's really this, because I'm obsessed. The only thing that really changes in my morning routine is I put on this instead as a serum. This is the Vitamin C Green Tea Enzyme Brightening Serum from Innisfree, and it's really nice. I feel like, again, it's super brightening and it's not super strong, so it doesn't irritate your skin. And then of course I use sunscreen. I've been switching back and forth between the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics one, and then I've also recently incorporated this one from Boutique I think is how you say it, but it's the Relief Sun Moisturizer with SPF 50. But this feels so nice as well, so can't live without those. And then for my moisturizer, I've still just been using the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion, the PM one. I love that this is ultra lightweight. It just feels so good. It layers well under my makeup in the morning, and then at night it really does leave me feeling so moisturized and hydrated. And then last but not least, before I go in with my Medicube, I'm going to be using The Ordinary Organic Cold Pressed Rose Hip Seed Oil. I think I'm going to repurchase this because it's really become such a staple, and I feel like I can't do my Medicube without it. Tuesday. I am having a very slow morning today, and it's honestly been so nice. I just did a little bit of a tidy. I finished my book, and now I'm gonna make myself some brunch. I saw on Xiaohongshu people were slicing up bananas and then putting them in pancake mix, so I'm gonna try to do that this morning. I'm gonna make myself some coffee too. But let's get this day started. I'm gonna continue taking it easy today, and then tonight I'm going to Snoopy night at the Mariners with Genevieve, and I'm so excited. So it's gonna be a nice, peaceful, and fun Tuesday. We got this pancake mix when we were in Hawaii, and we have yet to use it, but it says it's tropical banana, so I feel like that would actually be perfect for what I am trying to achieve this morning. Is just like put them on a spoon, dip them in the powder, and then just put them onto the pan. I feel like that seems like the best course of action. This is how they turned out. They're not the cutest, but I think they're gonna taste really good. And I have some syrup too, so I'm gonna put a little syrup on them. It's so good because the banana is like soft and melty on the inside, so it makes it extra sweet. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. I've just gotten ready and I'm gonna go meet Mari at URL. I'm so excited for some coffee and some toast and to see her, but this is what I'm wearing. I have on my fuzzy coat. This is from Rave, and then I'm carrying my red suede Marge Sherwood bag. Underneath I just have on this t-shirt. This is from Abem Home. I love the little flower detail. And then I just have on my white wrap skirt. This is from Beginning. I put it over top my jeans from Uniqlo, the J.W. Anderson collab, and then I'm just wearing my Puma Speed Cat Go. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna go and I'll see you all at URL. Evening, everyone. It's Thursday. I'm about to head out. I'm gonna go pick up Mari and we're gonna head to Bellevue. We're gonna get some dinner. Really craving mapo tofu, and then I think we're also gonna stop at the mall. I really want to pop into Aloe. I feel like I'm in desperate need of new workout clothes. That's something that I just like do not ever buy, and I think it's finally time to do a little bit of a refresh. But this is my outfit of the night. It's finally like the perfect weather where I can wear this Aritzia jacket out. So I have on that. I just put it over a white t-shirt. This is from Glony. I have my little Tout de Mont bag, and then I'm wearing my black cargo pants that are also from Aritzia, and I just have on my Cecile Bonson sneakers. So I'm gonna head out and I'll see you all in a little bit. Friday, we are en route to Lopez Island for the weekend. As you can see, the weather is beautiful today and we're taking Cece with us, but it's gonna be a fun, peaceful, and relaxing weekend away.
When I made the reservation. The thing itself is Monday, Tuesday, but we have to go in on Sunday.
Never.
Right. Might be a little. But we did her DNA test. What I guess we did. I thought she was in custody, and then she.
This morning we came to Fine Mess Pastries. They used to be Holly Bees, but we just got new owners, and I got this cardamom bun, which I'm so excited about. And I also got a ginger snap cookie for later.
She is vaccinated, but you should definitely.
We are going to make a whipped cream cake, so let's do it.
That's fine.
Actual strawberries in the cake. We're doing 2 layers.
to explode.
Evening everyone, it is Sunday night. We made it back to Seattle from Lopez and we just had a very peaceful and relaxing afternoon. Got some chores done, but we're heading out to dinner now. We're going to meet those parents at Musang for Luke's birthday celebration. So it's going to be really good and delicious. But I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you all have a good week whenever it is that you're watching this, and I'll see you all in the next one.